And we're beginning it with slight bit of improvement, at least from where we left it off on Friday, which was way sub the 15K mark. So the first rates then on your screens, while the pre-open rates were only indicating that we're going to start off just mildly positively for us. After a 1% loss in the week gone by, it's a little better a start. Of course, key sectors to look out for is going to be private banks. What with the move on ICICI Bank, on an Axis, or for that matter, even an SBI, which really weighed in heavy on the indexes in the week gone by. Or then, for that matter, even some of the metals, which really got clobbered, at least in Friday's session. So look out for a Tata Steel, for a Hindalco, JSW Steel, and how some of these stocks actually perform. On my screens right now, we're starting off flat. You're seeing Maruti, IndusInd Bank, HDFC, Bajaj Finance, Axis, ITC, Gail, HDFC Life. They're seeing some red ticks. But on the flip side, metals as a trade has actually begun positively. So Hindalco holds up by about 1%, Tata Steel, JSW Steel, and HDFC Bank, along with Infosys, they are your winners this morning. It's very early days. We've started off absolutely flat, but let's see what direction the market takes from here. Because for the breadth of the market as well, it's largely even Steven, although the advances are taking over, but it's a very negligible, slim majority. Lal Patlab, Hindalco, Chola Finance, Idea, Vedanta, these are your top buzzers in trade. On the flip side, of PVR, TVS Motors, Naukri, MGL, IDFC First, that's where you're seeing some pressures actually built in. Avan, what about the newsmakers?
Well, we'll be watching out for some names in trade. Take a look at Mahindra CIE, fag end of the earnings season, and a decent set of numbers, though the stock is cooling off at around 188. Jubilant Foodworks, clear newsmaker in trade with respect to the acquisition that has taken place. Remember, CLSA has a buy rating with a target price of about 3,000. Jubilant Food is up about 1% in trade, 29.83. That's where the stock is at. You've also got something like a Sheela Foam. The company has received an order that has come in. Something like that is in focus in today's trading session as well. L&T as well is on the brokerage radar. A positive stance yet again. Vedanta, we got you the khabar on these trade that we understand that the promoter group is going to pick up another 5% stake in the counter. 3% higher is where it's currently at in trade. Ambuja Cement as well post its earnings. You've got Citi, which has maintained a buy rating. They continue to remain bullish on the overall valuations as well. And Ambuja Cement's very quiet at about 275. A quick look in on Inox Leisure. They have commenced the commercial operations in Kolkata. And remember, this sector has been quite badly beat, but for now down 1% in today's trade. That stock is down as we speak.